Okay, converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. So if we have, now mixed numbers are like the ones with my supersize that I talked to you about. So if I've got 2 wholes and 3/4, and I want to make that an improper fraction. Think about something that's improper means it doesn't look quite right. So if we had a guy with a really big head and a really tiny body, that would be improper. That's kind of like our big number, our numerator at the top, being bigger than the denominator. So basically what I've got to ask myself is, in this 2 whole, what does that mean? Well, my whole needs to be broken up into quarters because that's what my denominator said. So if I've got my 2 wholes here, and they're broken up into quarters like that, and I've got 2 wholes, so I can colour those in because that's my 2 wholes. And I've also got this 3/4 over here. There we go. That's my 3/4. How many quarters is that all together? Well, I know in 2 wholes I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I've also got my 3/4, which is this bit here. 9, 10, 11. So I've got 11 quarters. Now, some of you have already clued into, during class time, an easier way to do that. You know that because this means 1 whole is 4/4, 2 wholes is 8/4. So what I've seen you doing is going 2 times 4, which is this bit here, and then adding 3, which will work just fine. So let's do another one. 3 1/3. So I know I've got 3 wholes. Here's my wholes. 1, 2, 3. Why'd I break it into thirds? Yeah, that's right, because of the denominator here. It told me I had to break it into thirds. I've got 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, and an extra third just, whoa, that's interesting. Try that again. And I've got an extra third just here. Okay, so how many thirds have I got all together? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 thirds. Now the other way I can work that out is I know it's 3 times the 3 in here. That's 3 times 3 plus the extra 1/3 plus 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. Alright, let's apply that to one more of these now. So we've got 5 wholes and 4/6. So let's apply that multiplication principle. I know I've got 5 wholes, which means I've got 5 lots of 6 6. So I've got 5 lots of 6 6, because that's a whole. That's what that is down there. So 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 6. And then I've got to add my 4 here, plus 4. 5 6s are 30, plus 4 is 34. 6. Now you can see why it's improper. This guy's got a really big head at the top. Much bigger. The numerator is bigger than the denominator, so it looks a little weird. Okay, that's how you convert mixed numbers to improper fractions.